If you want to write perfect emails with Grammarly AI, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you need to write a professional client email, a resignation letter, a follow-up message, or just make your writing sound sharper and more confident, Grammarly AI can help you do it much faster. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Grammarly editor. This is where you can start drafting your email and use Grammarly's built-in AI tools to improve the message before you send it. Once the editor is open, look at the top of the screen and click the goals icon. This is the dartboard symbol, and it helps Grammarly understand exactly what kind of writing you want to create. After clicking goals, set your writing preferences carefully. Choose your target audience first. For example, if you're writing to a client, manager or team member, you might select knowledgeable or general depending on who the email is for. Next, choose the level of formalness. If you want your email to sound polished and business-ready, select formal. If it is a more casual internal message, you can choose informal. Then set the domain to business so Grammarly knows you're writing in a professional context. This step matters because the more accurately you set your goals, the better Grammarly AI can tailor your email. It's not just about fixing grammar, it's about shaping the tone, clarity and style so your message feels appropriate for the person receiving it. Now it's time to use Grammarly AI itself. Click the light bulb icon, or if your version has a shortcut, press the designated shortcut to open the AI prompt window. This is where you can tell Grammarly exactly what you want it to write. The key here is to be specific and actionable. Don't just type something vague like write an email. Instead, give it a clear task. For example, you could type, write a polite follow-up email to a client about an unpaid invoice. Or you could type, draft a concise resignation letter with a 2-week notice. These prompts are much more effective because they give Grammarly AI a clear goal, tone, and purpose. Once you enter your prompt, let Grammarly generate the draft. Take a moment to review the wording, because this is where you can quickly fine-tune the message before inserting it into your email. If the draft feels too casual, you can use Grammarly's rewrite tools to make it more professional. This option converts casual phrases into executive-level syntax, which is great for business emails, client communication, and leadership messaging. If you need the message to sound firmer, you can make it more assertive. This is especially useful when you want to remove weak or apologetic phrases, like I just wanted to check, or I was wondering if maybe. Grammarly can help you replace those softer phrases with language that sounds more direct and confident, without coming across as rude. And if your email feels too long or hard to follow, use the clarity improvement tools. This helps shorten long-winded sentences and make your writing more scannable. That means your recipient can understand the main point faster, which is especially important in professional settings where people are often reading emails quickly. As you refine the message, keep checking whether it matches your original goal. If you're writing to a client, make sure it sounds polite and professional. If you're writing to your boss, make sure it sounds clear, respectful, and confident. If you're writing a resignation letter, make sure the tone is brief, courteous, and to the point. Once you're happy with the result, click Insert to drop the generated text directly into your email draft. From there, you can make any final edits, adjust names or dates, and send the email with confidence. That's the beauty of Grammarly AI. It saves time, improves tone, and helps you sound more polished in just a few clicks. So, to recap, open the Grammarly editor, set your goals, choose your audience, formality, and domain, use the Grammarly AI prompt tool with a specific request, refine the output to make it more professional, more assertive, or clearer, and then insert the final text into your draft. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple software walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.